Hello, I'm Moriah Elizabeth, a content creator here on YouTube. Let's talk about paid partnerships. As creators, we sometimes get the opportunity to make money or get sent free stuff from other brands for promoting them in our videos, which is great. This can be really awesome and help cover some of the costs that come along with making videos for YouTube, because there's a lot of those. Also, it gives us the chance to share new brands with our audience that they may not have heard of,
which is cool.
But there is a responsible way to do this. It is really important that we clearly disclose when we're being paid to promote something. If we are being paid or we're being sent free stuff, it's important that we let you know and make it clear by saying it out loud and in the video description using the hashtag ad or saying that it's sponsored, just using something that's very clear so that it's obvious to you what's going on here and you know what the situation is. Creators also let YouTube know when there's a paid promotion within our videos to add an additional disclosure that appears at the beginning of the video. I think most YouTube creators only choose to promote brands that we actually genuinely enjoy. I know I personally turn down a lot of different paid promotion opportunities just because I just don't think that it's going to be a good fit for me or for my audience, and I wouldn't feel good about promoting something that I don't actually support.
No.
So I only accept promotions where I can be completely honest about my opinion. But even though I am being honest, I still owe it to my audience to disclose when I'm being paid to promote something, so that you know that this company has paid me or this company has given me free stuff because they want you to buy something or support their brand. And it's okay if we have different opinions. It's just like with any other kind of advertising, it's important for you to make up your mind about what kind of products you want to use. So those are just a couple things to keep in mind when it comes to paid promotions on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.